Hello! Before we start, I would like to suggest you to subscribe to this channel. If you watched my videos before, if you enjoyed my tutorials, time lapses and reviews, subscribe, press the bell button and you will receive notifications every time when I post a new video. And if you're first time on my channel, I'm so glad to see you here. Have a look at my other videos. If this is the right content for you, subscribe and also make sure to say hello in comments. Today I'm painting inverted butterfly. I'm starting with outlining a top wing and then adding another one a bit further away, leaving some space in between. Next I'm painting in another wing, the bottom one, and I'm not finishing it as I would normally do, like going towards the middle of my eye, towards inner part of my eye. I'm turning the lower line back to create some kind of imitation of a skull. Next I'm starting to shadow the inner part of my eye and then going on the outside of the second wing. While shadowing, I'm trying to keep the darkest areas closer to the wing, and while going away I'm spreading the color so it's kind of blends into my skin. After finishing shadowing, I'm adding a bit more details on butterfly's wings. I'm painting in some holes and then some lines, and into these holes I'm going to add some white color. This is the easiest way to brighten up your butterfly, just to add these white dots. Even without adding any color like I'm doing here, just painting it over my skin. So I have my general outlines ready, and now I would like to add some more color to my butterfly. So I'm starting tapping over iridescent loose powders, actually two, blue and purple. But before I actually use powders, I first apply the cream makeup. I will write all the products that I use in the description down below so you can see what I was using. And while I remember, I would like also to invite you to the group One Stroke Beauty, where you can see lots of one-stroke designs, not only by me, but by other amazing artists. And if you would like to follow me personally, you can also find me on Instagram as Ulyanka Arty. I would love if you join me there. I chose black cream makeup for the background, so the color that I'm applying over it will be standing out better. With blue shadows, I work in the same way as I was doing the brown ones. I'm applying more color on the outer edge of the butterfly and then spreading the rest of the powder to blend in with the skin. If you're fancy to make a skull out of a butterfly, you can add in some teeth and a hole for a nose. With my teeth, I'm repeating the process, the same what I was doing with wings. First I'm making the outline of the teeth, then I'm adding cream makeup and then going over with shadows. At the end I'm going over again with a liner just to make my teeth look more pronounced. To tie it all up together, I'm adding some white dots, the same as I was doing at the butterfly wings. Obviously my previous lips color didn't match to the overall theme, so I'm going with the blue color first, then I'm adding some purple on the sides and covering my lips with the same powders that I was using for my butterfly. I will also need to contour a little bit my face. I'm going over my forehead close to my hairline. I'm adding a little bit more color to my eyes at the top and then at the bottom on the outer side. This is it for today. If you enjoyed watching my own version of butterfly wings, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope I will see you very soon in my next tutorial. Bye!